Good morning students. Welcome to EVS class. We are in chapter 2 inside our body and we are learning about internal organs. In our previous video we have already learned about lungs and stomach. Now a short recapitulation about them. Look at the picture. This is the picture of lungs. This is right lung, this is left lung. Lungs are located on both sides of the heart. They are like spongy banks. When we breathe in air, air enter our body through our nose, through our nostrils, and then travel through this windpipe and enter into our lungs. This process is called inhalation. The lungs contains blood capillaries, this thread-like structure which absorb the oxygen from the blood, then transport it to the other parts of the body through blood. During this process, carbon dioxide is given out as a waste material which is brought back to the lungs by blood. When we breathe out, the lungs throw this carbon dioxide through this windpipe and then nose, they exhale it. This process is called exhalation. Next, stomach. Stomach is another important internal organ. It helps us to digest our food. Our digestion begins in the mouth when we chew food. The food gets mixed with the saliva. Then we swallow the food. Then food goes through this pipe. This is called food pipe and enter into the stomach. Here food mixed with different types of digestive juices. Then it breaks and convert into a smooth paste. Then this food goes to small intestine. Here further breakdown happen and the food mixes with different types of juices. Here this food here blood absorb the food and transport it to the different parts of the body, and the rest indigested food goes to the large intestine. This is large intestine. Goes to this large intestine and through anus it is thrown out by our body. So this is the was a short recapitulation of our previous part, that was lungs and stomach. Now move toward today's topic, liver. The liver is a reddish brown color internal organ. It is the largest and heaviest internal organ whose weight is around 1.5 kg. Look at the picture. This is liver. You can see it is reddish brown in color. It is the largest and heaviest internal organ. Actually, it is a gland. Its weight is almost 1.5 kg. Now, we will see the position of liver in our body, where it is situated in our body. It lies on the right side of the stomach, below the rib cage. Now, one question arises, what is rib cage? The rib cage is the arrangement of ribs attached to the vertebral column. With the help of this picture, we will understand what is rib cage. This is the picture of rib cage, a bony structure. These are ribs. There are 12 pair of ribs, both sides. They attached to the vertebral column. This is vertebral column. This bony structure is called vertebral column. Now back to our point. Position of liver in our body. It lies on the right side of the stomach. Now again look at this picture. This is our liver. It is stomach, this pink color structure. It is on the right side of the stomach. This liver is on the right side of the stomach and below the rib cage. Look at here. This is our rib cage. So our liver is below the rib cage and right side of the stomach. This is stomach, this is right side and this is left side. So clear about the position of liver in our body? I hope it is clear. Now next point is functions of liver. It helps in digesting the food. Liver makes a digestive juice called bile. It digests fat by breaking food items like oil, butter into tiny droplets. So liver helps us in digestion. You know that liver is a gland and its main job is to produce digestive juice, which is called bile. We have already read. Digestive juice breaks oil, butter, ghee, etc. into tiny droplets. Thus, liver helps us in digestion. Now, do you know our liver is magical liver? It knows magic. How? Look at here. It can regenerate. If for some reason only 25% of our liver remains healthy, it can regrow into a full-size liver. Isn't it a magic? Definitely it is. Now a question. How can we take care of our liver? We should avoid eating too much oily and spicy food. In this way we can take care of our liver. So that's all for this video. We have completed this topic liver. In our next video we will discuss about kidneys.